Tired of Zillow's Zestimate influencing perceptions of your home's value? Let's take back control. First, head to Zillow.com and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one using the email address associated with your property. Once logged in, click on your profile icon. Usually in the upper right corner of the screen, a drop-down menu will appear. Select your home from this menu. You should now see your home listed. Click on your address to access the property page. On your home's page, look for the Home Details tab, usually located near the top of the page. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Edit Facts. Click on the Edit Facts button. This will open up an editing panel where you can modify various details about your property. Now, look for an option like Remove Zestimate or Do Not Display Zestimate. Select this option. Zillow might ask for a reason for your decision. You can choose the most appropriate one from the list they provide, or even submit a personalized reason. After you've submitted your request, Zillow usually processes it within a few days. Once processed, the estimated value will be removed from your listing. Keep in mind that this only hides the Zestimate. Your property will still be listed on Zillow. Congratulations! You've now taken control of your home's visibility on Zillow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more homeowner tips.